Biowaste. Are you familiar with this term? How is it different from other organic wastes? Biowaste is a fraction of all the possible organic wastes or biodegradable wastes that exist. It is comprised of food and kitchen waste, market waste, yard and park waste, and residues from food and wood processing industries. And it can look quite similar to the picture behind me. In this course, we put special emphasis on biowaste treatment technologies since biowaste is most of the times the predominant fraction of municipal solid waste in low and middle income settings. As we can see in these pie charts, biowaste represents around 50% of the municipal solid waste in low and middle income countries, but it can be as high as 80%. In contrast, in higher income countries, the share of the waste is normally much lower. Biowaste treatment is highly important in any country. Besides reducing public health threats and environmental burden, biowaste treatment technologies return the resource value of waste into the economy, while at the same time creating new business opportunities and economic growth. Let's have a look at these technologies. There are numerous biowaste treatment types. In this diagram, we see a holistic classification of the most commonly used treatment technologies for urban biowaste. They are grouped into four main categories: direct use, biological treatment, physicochemical treatment, and thermochemical treatment. Here we see examples of treatment technologies or processes that fall under each category. We can also see the value products that are generated from each technology, and finally, the possible end uses for each value product. Let's see an example. Vermicomposting belongs to the biological treatments. It generates two different products: worms and compost or vermicompost. The end use of compost will be in agriculture, whereas the end use of the worms will be for animal husbandry, since the worms can also be used as animal feed. As we do not consider direct use practices as proper treatment technologies, they will not be covered in this course. In the coming modules, we will introduce the treatment technologies most commonly used in low and middle income countries, namely composting, vermicomposting, black soldier fly treatment, anaerobic digestion, and thermochemical treatments with special focus on slow pyrolysis. Here we see pictures of these technologies. Furthermore, this week will also include several bonus modules on more hands-on aspects, such as how to calculate the size of an anaerobic reactor, how to determine the carbon-nitrogen ratio and moisture content of several materials, how to build a fixed dome anaerobic reactor, and operating a black soldier fly treatment facility. For those of you who would like to get more insights into all these technologies, we recommend this publication, which is available for free online. I wish you an enjoyable week learning about all these technologies.